Hello, my name is David Guerrero, and this is my informative speech for my speech class. The topic that I decided on is the future of space exploration. Have you ever wondered what it would be like to live on Mars or visit other planets? This might sound like a fantasy, but it's something that scientists and engineers are actively working on today. Thanks to new technologies and ambitious plans, space exploration is about to take a huge leap forward. Space has always been fascinating to us. From landing on the moon to sending robots to explore Mars, we've made incredible progress in understanding the universe. But this is only the beginning. In this speech, I'll talk about three things: the amazing new technologies that are making space exploration easier, the exciting missions that are on the horizon, and how humans might actually live on other planets someday. Let's start with the technologies that are making space exploration possible. Reusable rockets are one of the biggest breakthroughs in space travel. Imagine launching a rocket into space and having it return to Earth, ready to launch again. That's exactly what SpaceX has achieved with its Falcon 9 rockets. This has reduced the cost of space travel by a huge amount, allowing more missions to happen. Another exciting development is in propulsion systems. The rockets we use today are powerful, but they are not very efficient for long trips. Scientists are developing new engines like ion propulsion and nuclear rockets, which could send spacecraft farther and faster. With these technologies, we'll be able to reach places we've never been before, like other planets outside the solar system. And then there's artificial intelligence, or AI. AI-powered robots like NASA's Perseverance rover are exploring Mars right now. These robots can perform experiments, take photos, and even analyze data all by themselves. They are like our eyes and hands on other planets, going where humans can't. Well, for now. Now let's talk about the exciting missions that are coming up. NASA's Artemis program is aiming to send astronauts back to the moon for the first time since 1972. But this time the plan is bigger. NASA wants to set up a base on the moon where astronauts can live and work for long periods. This will help us prepare for even bigger missions like sending humans to Mars. Speaking of Mars, NASA and the European Space Agency are working on a mission to bring rock and soil samples back to Earth. These samples could tell us if there was ever life on Mars. Can you imagine how amazing it would be to find evidence of ancient life on another planet? Private companies are also playing a huge role in space exploration. SpaceX, for example, is working on its Starship project, which aims to make interplanetary travel a reality. Starship is being designed to carry people and supplies to Mars, paving the way for humans to live there someday. Finally, let's talk about living beyond Earth. The moon and Mars are the most realistic places where humans could live in the near future. But it won't be easy. On the moon, astronauts would need to deal with extreme temperatures and harmful radiation. Scientists are looking into ways to use lunar soil to build habitats, which could save us from having to transport materials from Earth. Mars has even bigger challenges. It's freezing and its atmosphere is too thin to support human life. But scientists are working on ideas like terraforming, which means changing Mars to make it more like Earth. For example, we could release greenhouse gases to warm the planet and create a thicker atmosphere. It's a big challenge, but with time, it might be possible. And let's not forget about the search for life beyond our solar system. Advanced telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope are helping us find planets that might be able to support life. Imagine what it would mean to discover we're not alone in the universe. That's one of the most exciting questions driving space exploration today. To wrap it up, the future of space exploration is full of possibilities. New technologies, ambitious missions, and the dream of living on another planet make this an exciting time to look to the stars. Exploring space isn't just about science, it's about human curiosity and ambition. Every step we take brings us closer to understanding our place in the universe. Who knows, maybe one day you or someone you know will be part of this incredible journey. Thank you.